Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are having issue with command prompt is closing automatically when I open it. It pops up and closes instantly. Let's fix that problem guys. For that you just first solution is right click on the start button and select run, and in run you need to type in here cmd.exe cmd.exe space slash d cmd.exe space slash d. Click OK. Now hopefully the problem has been resolved guys. At this point, if it doesn't work for you, let's move on to the next solution. Go to search menu and type registry editor. Right click on it. Select run as administrator and click yes. Now in registry you need to go to HKey current users and expand the softwares folder, expand the Microsoft, and expand the command processor. You just need to click on it, search for command Microsoft, not getting command. If you're not having command processor, go back guys, go back to HKey local machine and go to software, expand it and expand the Microsoft, and now search for command processor, and here we get it, command processor. And you just need to check whether you have any key, name it as auto run. If any key, name it as auto run, you just right click on it and select delete guys. You just want to delete it. The same thing you just want to do it for HKey current user guys. If the HKey current user, expand it and go to software, expand it and expand the Microsoft. In Microsoft, if you're getting command processor in down of it Microsoft, if you have command processor in here, you just need to click on it. On right side you need to check whether the key having named as auto run. You just want to right click it and select delete guys. If that is having in your computer, you just want to delete it. And that's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely worked for you guys, and that's it for today's video guys. You just want to restart your PC guys for changes take effect. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.